all together now. We clap your hands. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Once again, happy birthday to you. Alright, everybody shout happy birthday, Paolo! And this time, Paolo, before you blow your candle, what is your birthday wish for tonight? What is your birthday wish? Sige, gamit ka naman.
At nagpunta dito sa birthday ko, maraming salamat po, I love you.
Ayan. Siyempre, mag-thank you kasi yung mommy and daddy.
Thank you ma, pati papa, I love you.
Oh, and then, mag-thank you sa magician.
Thank you, magician. Galing mo.
See you next year, ha? Get ready to blow the candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Everybody clap your hands, guys. Kaya siyempre, dito magiging matagumpay. Kung hindi ka ng mommy and daddy, mommy first, mommy, what is your wish? Para sa iyong anak na si Paolo.
Lumaki kang mabuti, may takot sa Diyos, and makakapag-tamos ka ng pag-aaral. I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Papa mo. Lahat gagawin namin para sa inyong dalawa ni Papa mo. I love you.
Thank you so much. And then, syempre, Daddy, what is your wish?
Anak, nagpakabait ka. Naiiyak ko. Hindi, joke lang. Happy birthday sa'yo, Paolo. At saka nakikita ko naman na yung pagkabata mong ganito, tatanda ka rin na maging mabuting tao. Tulad ni Papa at Mama. Happy birthday sa'yo. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much. And then, syempre, Paolo, I have a wish for you. Paolo, happy birthday to you. Thank you for choosing Lapis Catering. And also, thank you for choosing me as your host and magician. And to all of you guys,